Welcome back to SG Riders, your home for the hottest bikes and latest rides. Today, we're diving into something truly breathtaking, the 2025 Aprilia RSV2. A superbike that blends Italian art, racing DNA, and next-level performance into one stunning machine. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement on wheels. High-voltage design, sharp, aggressive, and aerodynamic. From the first glance, the RSV2 screams power and precision. Its new aerodynamic fairing has been sculpted with wind tunnel perfection, giving it razor-sharp lines and aggressive curves. Aprilia's signature tricolor scheme, carbon fiber elements, and winglets add both style and function. Every inch of the bike looks ready to dominate both the streets and the racetrack. Fire engine and performance, born to dominate. Under the fairing lies a 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 engine that produces pure adrenaline. With over 200 horsepower, the RSV2 accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Aprilia has refined its ride-by-wire throttle, quick shifter, and traction control system, ensuring that every twist of the wrist feels razor-sharp yet totally in control. This bike isn't just about speed, it's about mastering precision, brain technology and features, smart superbike power. The 2025 RSV2 packs the latest Aprilia Performance Management System, APRC. It includes cornering ABS, launch control, adjustable riding modes, and a full-color TFT display that puts all key data right at your fingertips. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can sync your helmet intercom and GPS for a connected, futuristic ride. Ride experience, track-ready, street-smart. Whether you're carving corners on the track or cruising through highways, the RSV2 delivers unmatched control and comfort. Its lean suspension, lightweight aluminum frame, and Brembo Stylema brakes work together for a ride that feels planted and confidence-inspiring. Every rev, every lean, every shift, it's pure joy for those who truly love performance machines. Speech-alone final thoughts. The future of superbike engineering. The 2025 Aprilia RSV2 proves that innovation and emotion can exist in perfect harmony. It's fast, fearless, and beautifully engineered, a true Italian masterpiece that challenges giants like the Panigale V4 and Yamaha R1. If you love bikes that are built for both the heart and the track, this one deserves a special place on your dream list. Move camera outro, SG Riders. That's it for today's ride, folks. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Aprilia RSV2, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders for more superbike content every week. Stay fast, stay safe, and as always, keep riding with passion.